Hello, this is Miraj, right? In previous video, we discussed about the what's the meaning of the routing, and in this video, uh, we'll do the routing on the basis of the with the help of the controller. So, uh, first of all, we need to understand what is controller. Suppose you are in a restaurant. Suppose you are a view, and the the chef who makes the everything for you, and let's consider him or her as a model. Then the communicator between the model and then the view, that means you the customer, it's simply um, a controller. Or in terms of the same thing or hotel, you can see the waiter. So waiter is simply a controller in my view. So in this video, we'll discuss about the how waiter controls the routing process. So for controller, we have the app folder, as in I explained about the in previous video, that the controller exists within this app folder, that inside the http we have a controller. So this is our controller folder, and this is our default folder that our Laravel provides us. So first of all, let me go to the my command. So in this command, let me first run this project, php artisan serve. This is our artisan command. When I click here, this runs our default projects that provided by our Laravel. And let me go here, and then again I click next terminal. So now I'm going to create here a controller. So to create controller, just write here php artisan make controller and the name of controller. Let's suppose the demo controller. Okay, you can write anything here, demo controller. The name of controller is demo controller. So when I enter, this gives me here a controller called the demo controller. So this is our demo controller. So let's check it out. And this demo controller is actually a extended of the controller, that means this controller. So this is extended version of this controller. So in this controller, we can create the functions. So this is demo controller is our class. So inside class we can create the multiple functions. And then let's go to the first in our resources folder, in views folder. Let me make here the same thing that what I did, home dot, or you can say anything, you can write any blade name php. This is my home thread, and then home blade, and another about dot blade dot php. And let's take another one, contact dot blade dot php. So first let me go into the home page. So just in home page, let's write in title as a home, and then in this body sections, let's take a home page, welcome to home page. Okay, so this is our home page, how it looks. And inside about sections, I can do same thing here. So just this is our about page, so title name will be about. Inside this body, welcome to about page. Okay, now the same thing I can write in contact sections. So this will be contact, and this gonna be contact page. Okay, so I created 3 pages here, blade pages, home pages, about pages, and contact pages. Now let's display these things by using our controller. So to use controller, first of all, we have to make here function. So the name of functions will be, you can write anything. So but as according to our this blade file I can write here. So to write functions, first of all you need to write here public and function. So public function, sorry, function, and uh, without any arguments here. So public functions, and here the name of functions. Okay, so here I can write here home, because I am creating this home sections for this home. So in home I can write return. Inside means inside the function I can write here return, and view. In view I have a home. So you can see here in view I have a home page. Yeah, so I just call it. You can write anything here, okay, but to be a flexible or to non part, you can write the same thing what you wrote here. So this is for home. So similarly I can write for others, like for about. So for about, just select this and control D. So and then just write here about. So the same thing goes for here, and now it's not about, it's a contact. So for contact I just write here. So these are the functions names: about, home, about, and the contact. These are our functions. So now let's go into our route section. So I have a route here with web.php, which I have already explained in previous classes or previous videos. So to use route controller here, first of all write the route, and in route we are get method, we are just getting something here. So in get method you can write just for home I can write here home, and to use controller just use this list, and inside list I am using demo controller. Sorry, this is demo controller and class. Now we have to write here that method or that function name that we are going to hit it. So here I have a home, so that's why I am writing here inside. If you hit this, when I click in this home, this will go to this section and hit this part, and this will show our this home.blade. So this is how our controller works. And now similarly for about. So let me change this. So for about, and then for contact. So now how it works. So this is this is the routing by using our controller. Now just I'm going to optimize this to remove some cache. Okay, so let's go to our output section, view sections. I can see here this default folder, default output, but if I just write here home, then this gives me home page. And if I just write about here, this gives me about page. And if I write here contact, then this gives me contact page. So this is how the routing works in simply controller. So thank you very much.